In this video, we will learn what is similar and what is congruent, and what is the difference between similar and congruent. Now, when we talk of similar, as the word implies, similar means something which is similar in the sense it is same, and congruent means it is something which is identical. So, similar is similar and congruent means identical. So typically for a figure we have two things, shape and size. Shape and size. Shape and size. For similar figure, shape is same. For similar figure, shape is same. Same shape, but size different. In case of identical, shape as well plus size, both are same, both are equal. Say for example, if we have a circle, now we have another circle which is much bigger. Both are circle, so they are similar. But are they congruent? No, they are not, because this is smaller, this is bigger. So similarly, if we take a square and we take another square where the side is 3 centimeter and this is also 3 centimeter, then what happens? The shape is same because it's a square, and also size is same. So this will mean this will become congruent. So if we say two squares of 3 centimeter each, they are congruent. But if we say one square is 3 centimeters and the other square is 5 centimeter side, then they are only similar. So if we have, like suppose we would have an inner circle which is having the same radius. This radius is supposed 3 centimeter and this radius is also 3 centimeter. Then what happens? Then these two circles are identical. Then these two circles are identical. So the difference between similar and congruent is, in case of similar, only the shape is same. But in case of congruent, even the size is same. For example, we have twin children. So the twin children could also be similar twin or identical twins. You must have heard this word, similar twins or identical twins. Similar twins means they look similar, but they are not 100% same. So anyway, I think we should understand that similar means shape is same, identical means shape and size both are same. So if we have a rectangle like this and we have another rectangle, which is like this. Now are they similar? Similar, they may not be similar because the ratio between length and breadth here is not same. So the shape is not same. Although both are rectangle, but the shape is not same. Whereas in case of circle, all circles are similar. All circles are similar because the shape is always same. Similarly, all squares are similar. So you must remember this. Whereas all rectangles and all triangles are not. Because if we take a triangle, so we have one triangle like this, another triangle is like right angle triangle type things. So they are not similar. They are neither similar nor congruent. So anything which is not similar cannot be congruent. So for a congruent, all figures which are congruent will always be similar, but the other way is not true. Anything which is similar may or may not be congruent. So in this case, we can see that these two triangles are very different in shape. So the triangles, all triangles are not similar, but all circles, because you will always have the same shape, smaller circle, bigger circle, whatever it is, but they are all having the same shape. Similarly, all squares. You have one square and then you make a bigger square, and then another bigger square. So they are all. So what we have learned in this video, we have learned what is similar and what is congruent. Similar is where shape is same but the size is different. So it can be smaller or bigger, fatter or thinner. Whereas congruent is something which is identical, where shape and size both are same, both are equal in two figures. So we have two squares of three, each having 3 centimeter side, then they are congruent. And we also learned